Dear students, our today's topic is air and its constituents. Air, it is the invisible gaseous medium around us which is mainly constituted by oxygen and nitrogen. It is through this air that we are able to carry out the process of respiration, or we can say that air is necessary for the survival of life on the earth. Air is transparent and colorless. It occupies space and is present all around us. The thin blanket of air surrounding the Earth's surface is known as atmosphere. Now, the constituents of air. Air is a mixture of number of gases and some other particles. Air contains water vapors, which helps to maintain the water cycle. When air comes in contact with cold surfaces, it is these water vapors that turn into or condense into droplets of water. The amount of water vapors in the air varies from place to place and time to time. At a normal 30 degrees Celsius, for instance, can contain water vapors of about 4%. Air also contains oxygen, and it is said that dry air contains about 21% of oxygen. It is the oxygen in the air that helps humans and animals carry out the process of respiration. Oxygen is also required for combustion, or we can say for burning of the things. Air contains nitrogen of 78%. This component of air helps plants in their growth process. Carbon dioxide is a rare, small, only 0.04% component of air and is a byproduct of respiration by humans and animals. Fire also uses up oxygen to burn and then produces carbon dioxide and few other gases upon burning. This is why we feel suffocated if there is something burning inside a room. This happens due to an excess of carbon dioxide as the fire continues to burn in the room, choking out oxygen in the air. Air also contains dust and smoke. Smoke is another component given out when the fire burns. It is very harmful and adds fine dust particles and a few other gases to the air. Air also contains very fine dust particles which can be seen when a beam of light enters a dark room. The tiny particles flying around in the beam are actually these dust particles. It's hence advised by our elders to breathe only through our nose and not our mouth, so that the fine hair and mucus in the nose is able to filter out these dust particles so that we do not inhale them and harm ourselves. So, it can be said that air, it's a mixture of many gases, and oxygen, nitrogen contribute about or constitute about 99% of the composition of air, and remaining components are only 1%. So this was about air and its constituents. Thank you.